A hybrid real estate agent is a licensed agent who also invests in real estate. Same leads, same phone calls, same listing appointments, but instead of walking away from the deals that don't fit a traditional listing, they wholesale them, flip them, or keep them as rentals. They find a way to help. One lead, up to 5 paydays. That's the 30-second answer. Now stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how it works. The 5 ways you get paid, the math that turns $2,500 into $15,000, and the 5-step plan to become a hybrid real estate agent starting today. And stay till the end. I'm giving away my 6-step pre-listing checklist, the same one that closes me at 75%, free. So let's deep dive. My name is David Allen Knight. On this channel, we motivate you, we inspire you, and we educate you on how to run a profitable real estate business. If you're a new real estate agent grinding for listings, or you've been at this for years and you're stuck around 10 or 15 deals, this video was made for you. Let me ask you a question. Last month, how many leads came across your desk where the seller said, "I just need this thing gone," and you walked away because it wasn't a clean MLS listing? You left money on the table. That's the difference between a real estate agent and a hybrid real estate agent. A traditional agent only knows one move. A hybrid agent knows 5. Here's the breakdown. Same lead, 5 paydays. Number 1, you list it. Traditional commission, $10,000 chunks, that's the cash flow. Number 2, you wholesale the contract. When the seller is motivated and the price is right, you don't list it, you assign it. Wholesaling real estate is a $15,000 to $30,000 a contract payday. Step by step, it's the fastest way to your first big check. Number 3, you flip the property. When the deal is really right, you take it down yourself, you rehab it, and you sell it at retail. $30,000 to $80,000 on the spread, sometimes $100,000. Number 4, you keep it as a rental, especially with seller financing. The best deal I ever did was a $600 down, $600 a month for 23 years. And who's paying that mortgage every month? My tenant. Every month, principal goes down, cash flow comes in. Number 5, you reinvest into multifamily. That's where real estate investing for beginners turns into actual wealth. Depreciation, tax write-offs, reoccurring income. You zero out your tax bill at the end of the year. That's how the wealthy do it. 5 paydays, 1 lead, that's the hybrid model. And nobody on YouTube is teaching this. Let me put real numbers on this so you understand the math. In my market, every signed contract, listing, wholesale, or flip is worth roughly $15,000. For every 20 leads I get, I sign about 1 contract. For every 60 leads, I find 1 motivated seller who will basically give the house away. So if I'm spending $2,500 to sign 1 contract, I'm turning $2,500 into $15,000. That's a 5 times return. Now let me ask you, if I said, "Hey, give me a quarter and I'll give you $1, what's the first thing you're gonna say? How many more can I buy, right? That's the hybrid agent mindset. Most agents are stuck on a 1 revenue system. List a house, cash a check, start over. A hybrid real estate agent stacks revenue on every single lead. Here's how you build this for you. 5 steps. Step 1, most important, mindset. You have to believe you can spend money to make money. You can't run a real estate business on hope alone. Step 2, lead source. Stop cold calling all day. Cold calling is wonderful, but you should be using a motivated seller pay-per-lead service. They advertise on Google, Facebook, and YouTube, and when somebody clicks submit, the lead lands in your CRM in 30 seconds. Step 3, CRM and AI follow-up. I use an AI bot that calls every inbound lead in under 30 seconds, pre-qualifies them, books the appointment on my calendar. While other agents are eating lunch, I'm qualifying leads. Step 4, scripts, because skills pay the bills. You have to know what to say. Use my pre-qualifying listing presentation script verbatim every single time. Even if you're selling your own mother's house, That one script will take your close rate from 25% to 75%. Step 5, the Zoom listing presentation. I haven't been to a homeowner's house in years. I do every listing presentation on Zoom. I sit in Orlando and take listings anywhere in Florida, anywhere in the country, depending on your license. That's location freedom. Follow those 5 steps and you'll have income coming in within 60 to 90 days, guaranteed. So here's 3 common questions I get all the time. Do I need a real estate license to be a hybrid agent? Yes, that's the agent part in hybrid agent. The license is your competitive advantage over pure investors. How much money do I need to start? Less than you think. Everybody is eligible for a credit card. Use it on lead generation. Follow the scripts, and the system pays for itself in the first 90 days. What if I'm a brand new realtor and I have no database? This system was built for agents with no sphere of influence. Turn on the leads, start working appointments tomorrow. Now look, before you click off, I want to have you have the exact 6-step pre-listing checklist I use before every single appointment. The same one that has me closing at 75% when most agents are stuck at 25%. It walks you through the pre-qualifying questions, the pre-listing package you mail 48 hours ahead, the competing listing walkthrough that nobody else in your market is doing, and the upfront agreement I open every appointment with. 6 steps verbatim. It's free. Link in the description. Once you've got the checklist, the next video you need to watch is my pre-qualifying listing presentation script. That's the role play that shows you the exact words to say on the phone before you ever drive out to the house. Links right here. And if you want the full hybrid agent system, the lead sources, the AI follow-up bot, the seller financing playbook, the multifamily reinvestment plan, that's what the Elite Builders is. Applications in the description. Reach out. My name is David Allen Knight. Skills pay your bills. If it's not worth doing for the next 10 years, it's not worth doing for a day. So go make that money.